This week I will share how I make my favorite overnight oats. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko from Arigato Wellness and it's time for Massage Monday. I have mentioned about overnight oats here and there, like when I talked about how I lowered my bad cholesterol in 30 days, and when I talked about Ars Koso, or when I talked about Japanese superfood kinako because I like to mix these in. My friend was asking, so how do you make overnight oats? So that's what I'm going to do this week. I didn't used to eat overnight oats until my friend's husband made it for me for breakfast in Singapore and discovered how good it was, and that was 2 years ago. So I will share how I make my favorite overnight oats. First, organic rolled oats. I put in about quarter of the 16-ounce mason jar. Then I add organic hemp seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. They all come in different packaging, so I have this container for convenience. It comes with a spoon, so it's easy to open the lid, scoop, and put in the jar. Flax seeds, hemp seeds, and chia seeds. Then I throw in some goji berries, cacao nibs, and kinako roasted ground soybeans. Add some yogurt at hand, some frozen wild blueberries or regular blueberries and frozen strawberries if I have them. Add some soy milk. Then mix thoroughly. Guess what my favorite ice cream flavor is? It's Rocky Road. I like it chunky with different textures. It's a must to lick the spoon and leave it overnight in the fridge. Before I eat, I add some Metamucil salad topper that has pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries and sunflower seeds, chopped walnuts, and marine collagen. If I feel like chocolate, I add some cacao powder and Ars Koso for pre, pro, and postbiotic gut bacteria and some sweetness. I add some bananas if I have them. This time I had the best strawberries. I live in Orange County in Southern California. There's a Japanese farm called Tanaka Farms. They have strawberry picking tours and they are the best strawberries I've ever had. They're the juiciest and sweetest strawberries that you cannot find at the supermarkets. I ate like 20 of them straight from the vine as I packed my container. I added some salad topper and chopped walnuts and ta-da! Here's my chunky overnight oats. So this is how I like it as a Rocky Road lover. How do you make your overnight oats? Any tips and ideas are more than welcome. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell. Make it a great week.